Hello students, welcome. This is our new lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talk about how to make the present continuous tense that also called the present progressive tense. Yes, this is the same. When you see the name of present continuous tense, present progressive tense, this is the name. Some grammar books, they can use both of these names, of these definitions, I guess. So, let's take a look. This is our first rule. The present continuous, sometimes called the present progressive tense in English, is really easy to make and is the same for all verbs. Yes, this is the easiest structure as for me. We make it using the present simple of the verb to be. Am is are. Yeah, it's also easy to memorize, like present simple form of the verb to be, or like verb to be, forms of the verb to be, am is are, plus verb infinitive form plus ing, the easiest form. This is positive sentences of the present continuous. And take a look for positive sentences. Yes, it was the structure of the positive sentences in the present continuous. So how to make positive sentences in the present continuous tense? Positive. So we have I am sleeping, you are sleeping, I, first position, subject I, you, he, she, it, we, they, the subject. Next, verb to be, forms am is are, depends of the subject. You know already all of this. Let's repeat. I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is. Infinitive form of the verb sleep, like, move, live, work, and so on, plus ing at the end. This is the continuous form. Yeah, short forms, I am sleeping, you're sleeping, he's sleeping, so we can short forms subject plus to be, this is the contractions, and after that the main verb plus ing. This is our short forms. But when we create the negative sentences, we will put the not after to be, and short forms also will change here. It will be subject to be plus not in a short form, and the main verb. So I am not sleeping, you are not playing, he is not reading. Subject, first position, am is are, verb to be, not, the negative word, sleeping, playing, reading, working, infinitive form of the verb sleep, play, read, work, rain, cook, listen, infinitive form. This is the first form of the verb without any changes, plus ing at the end. This is how you build a continuous. The gerund also, it can be in some grammar books, they call it a gerund. But this gerund, if it's easy for you to call it like that, infinitive plus ing, call the gerund. This is the present continuous. This is a structure of the tense, because gerund also can work like an independent part of the speech in the sentences. But here we are talking about present continuous. This is not like independent gerund. Negative short form. I am not sleeping, you aren't playing, he, she, it isn't reading. As you can see, you need to short it like to be plus not. Subject, first position, to be plus not, infinitive form of the verb plus ing. This is negative forms. Next, questions. And how do we form questions in the present continuous? So we have our verb to be. In the present continuous, this is auxiliary verb, because we have the main verb of the action, infinitive plus ing. This is our main verb of the action, the process of action, of the action. And to be, this is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, as we know, can create the negative sentences and questions. It must create negative sentences and questions. So in questions, every time auxiliary verb we need to put before the subject, yes? And after that, in this case, to be, am is are, am I, is he, she, it, am I a student, is he a student, are they students. And of course, answers yes or no. Yes, I am sleeping, or yes, I am, because auxiliary verb am here in this case, or yes, he is. So, am I eating chocolate? Yes, I am. Are you studying now? Yes, you are. Is he working? Yes, he is. So, yes, subject and auxiliary verb am is are. Depends on the subject. Is she doing her homework? Yes, she is. Or yes, she is doing her homework. Positive sentence. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Or it is raining. Are we meeting at 6? We are meeting at 6, yes. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Are they coming? Yes, they are. Yes, subject, they are, auxiliary verb, because your question just starts with auxiliary verb. Am is are. That's why you need to use this auxiliary verb and in your short answers. Positive or negative. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. In the negative answers, you need to put not. No, I am not. For question words, just put the question word at the front. Question words. How often? Why? When? Where? Who? Why am I eating chocolate? And here you can't use short answers. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Why? Details, informations. You need to explain why. Because I like. I am eating chocolate because I like it. Or because I am hungry right now, that's why I am eating chocolate right now. Yeah, we are talking about actions that are happening right now at the moment of speaking. I am eating chocolate right now. Why am I eating chocolate? Because I am hungry. And this is present simple. This is my condition. I am hungry. We can't say I am hungry. Hungry, this is the adjective. This is the explanation, definition. How can I describe my condition? Physical condition, yeah? What are you studying now? What are you studying now? I am studying math. I am studying English now. When is he working? When is he working? I guess it's today also. When is he working? Today, this is our time, present time. We can use present continuous for periods of time that are happening right now, and today this is also the time around right now. This is our present moment. Is he working right now, for example? Yes, he is working right now. When is he working? Today. He is working at 4 p.m. today, for example. Maybe this is a temporary schedule. This is not usual schedule. And you can use continuous for this context. What is she doing right now? She is playing a game. Why is it raining? Because it is cloudy. Present simple, it is cloudy. You can't use like this is a rain or this is raining right now because what? This is clouding? No, this is cloudy. Present simple explanation. Who are we meeting? Also weather. Processes like rain and snow, raining, snowing. We can use them in the present continuous. We can, because this is a long process. But when we want to describe some issue of and features and characteristics of the sky, for example, yes, oh, this is cloudy, or this is sunny, it will be only present simple. Raining and snowing, we can create a continuous gerund because this is the process. This is a long process. Who are we meeting right now? Who are we meeting? We are meeting my friends. How are they traveling? They are traveling by car right now. Yeah. Also, this is not about their repeated actions or habits. No, this is about short time period right now. That around now, the time period around now. It can be one day around now. This is not about repeated action that usually can happen. So that's all for today. Thank you for this lesson. Thank you for this lection. I hope it was helpful for you. Make some notes, practice examples, read one more time, watch the video lesson one more time. See you at the next lection. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye bye, students.